Good morning, espresso lovers. What we have here is a brand new in-box Rocket Cellini. Let's open it up and see what we've got. We'll take a look at the box first. We've got the Rocket sticker on top. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Professionally packed, as I would expect. Got a nice thick piece of cardboard on top. And what looks to be probably the accessories. Let's take a look. I would imagine the portafilter's in here. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Look at that. So what do we have here? We have espresso machine cleaner. We've got our two portafilters. We got our solid basket insert for back flushing. Oh my goodness, we got a stainless steel tamper. We've got, I'm not sure what this is. Let's open it up and take a look. We've got a USB stick. Maybe there's some data on that. How cool is that? There's a measuring spoon. Looks to be, oh, the cup rack borders are in there. And we've got a beautiful, beautiful instruction book and menu book. And of course we've got the drain tray also is in there. Okay, this is beautifully done. You gotta hand it to the Italians, huh? Okay, let's set this aside and open and look at the machine. Looks to be nicely packed. Got some foam on top. The machine is in a bag. So I know this is going to be a challenge to lift out of here. I'll be back in a minute.